Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favorite, and today I'm going to be showing you how I style my faux locks. Also, I did do a tutorial on this, so if you haven't checked that out, please make sure to check it out. I'll leave that in the comment section, the description box, and I'll also leave it towards the end of this video. Also, if this is your first time watching me, don't let this be the last. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that little red button and also click the bell so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and also, yeah, don't forget to comment, leave a comment or two. Okay? Alright, let's hop into this video. So this is the first style that I'm going to be showing you guys, just having my hair down. So this is still style number 2. You can just pull one of the faux locks out on each side. You can pull 2 out as well if you want. I'm just a little razzle dazzle dazzle. Just a little razzle dazzle here and there. Nothing major, guys. I feel so pretty today.
A few moments later.
Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed to my channel? Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Y'all, I am literally multitasking. I know you just saw my hair like this, but I am filming and taking pictures at the same time for Instagram. Also, if you haven't checked me out on IG, please check me out on IG fbabes_on. They have seen this first. Trust me, I post a lot on my IG, and yeah, check your girl out. Check me out. Check me out. Okay. Yep, this braid is really killing me. It's killing my soul. It's killing everything in me. It's just, stop torturing me, you fucking motherfucker. Alright. I guess this could be a style number 6, or it could still be a style number 5. I really don't care about the numbers. I'm just doing this because your girl got cute today, and like, why not? Oh. But yeah. Also, don't forget to mention your favorite style in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite style is, and yeah, let me know how you feel about this hair, like her. Let me know how you feel about this hair, because I love it. I absolutely love it. Alright, moving on. So when obviously my hair is not cooperating with me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off, although it's gonna kill my soul to do so. Yeah. So we're just gonna take it off completely. And start all over. Like, who does that? That's why I did the bun first. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and like this video because I'm really roughing up my faux locks, like faux locks. Go ahead and like this video, because also the more you style your hair, the messier it gets. But the good thing about this hair is the longer I have it, the more I fall in love with it. I love everything about this hair. I live for this hair, y'all. Like, you to style them like once a week or like, you know, yeah, every other week, because the more you mess with them, the more it gets really messed up, and like you don't want it to be too fuzzy that it's just like looking, you know, super old. After this, I'm probably not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna leave it down, except for when I go to the gym. Yeah, because no, it's just like a little size something. And I want to end this video here, but I feel like I can come up with one more style. Alright guys, this pretty much completes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two from this. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if this is your first time watching me, don't forget to subscribe, because honey, I do this all the time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you're notified every single time that I post a video. Also, don't forget to share this video, guys. Please share this video. Share it on your Instagram, your Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, everywhere. Just share it, please. Also, let me know what your favorite style is in the comment section. You know, comment 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6. I don't even know how many hairstyle I did. I will figure this out when I edit this video. But please let me know what your favorite hairstyle is, and let me know if you want to see more of these. And yeah, like, I will make it happen, like, period. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor, and today I'll be showing you how I style my knotless braids. You'll be doing me a great favor by sharing it, so please share it. I just said Favor, my name is Favor, that's funny. You know how you feel about the styles. Let me know if you fuck with them or if you don't fuck with them. I should not be saying that. Also, you can check me out on Facebook. I really don't use Facebook that much, but you can check me out on Facebook at Favor Onoha Ogona. Favor Ogona. Alright, don't do that. Don't even check it. Don't look me up on Facebook. Thank you all so much. And yeah. Anyways, see you. Anyways, see you all in my next video. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Guess how many times I did that?